Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2021 GX 460. This 7-passenger utility vehicle is more powerful, capable, and versatile than ever before. Visionary in every sense of the word, the GX 460 boasts one of the tightest turning circles in its class, a suspension system that helps enhance your capability, and the best-in-class V8 fuel economy. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, emergency braking preparation, hill descent control, remote engine start, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, double wishbones, front suspension type, strut, power brakes, braking assist. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.